Nagsimula ang Joey's November 1982. It started with my parents, and now we are continuing that legacy of quality service and great food. When you've been in business for over 40 years, you learn that consistency is everything. Hindi lang yan sa kitchen, but in how you move your goods and your people. As the restaurant expanded, reliable transportation became essential. We began looking for a vehicle that would better suit our requirements. Narinig namin na mas reliable ang Isuzu. And when we saw the size of the Travis, we knew it was swak for our needs. Una-una, yung Isuzu Travis maluwang. Madaming mailalagay na gamit sa loob. Tapos, spacious. Paski sa driver, sa passenger, kasyang-kasya ito. Bukod sa maganda ang performance, presentable sa mga customer, especially kapag nagkikater kami. The Travis is our all-in-one. In the morning, it's for the market and deliveries. In the afternoon, it's for our staff transport. The cabin is spacious, the engine is incredibly fuel efficient. Alam mo, sa taas ng gasolina, kilala ang Isuzu sa pinaka-efficient na service vehicle. Malinis ang look niya, elegant, and of course, reliable and dependable. Actually, we're so happy with the Travis that we're already looking at getting more Isuzu units, not just for the restaurant, but maybe for my family's personal use too. That's how much we trust the brand now. Quality food deserves quality transport. With Isuzu Travis, Joey's restaurant is ready for another 40 years.